माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं आपके सामने फिर हाजिर हो गया ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पार्ट 3 के साथ। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल डू क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, this particular topic, complementary angles, is very important in academics, in class 10th, in CBSE board, in NCERT board, and it is also important in competitions like SSC, CPO, and so many competitive exams. My dear students, be careful, use care on each and every step, and if you get any problem you can ask me in comments. Okay students, let's start. See guys, आखिर ये complementary angles क्या होते हैं? What is the complementary angle? Yeah, we can say what are the complementary angles. My dear students, if we add two angles and if sum is 90 degree, here you can see two angles are said to be complementary angles if their सम इज 90 डिग्री। अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री हो तो उसको हम बोलते हैं कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। जैसे देख लो, मान लो एक एंगल है 46 डिग्री का, ठीक है दोस्त, और जैसे a इज इक्वल टू हमने ले लिया, एंगल a इज इक्वल टू 46 डिग्री ले लिया, और एंगल b हमने ले लिया 44 डिग्री। अगर हम इन दोनों को सम करेंगे तो ये कितने डिग्री हो जाएंगे? 90 डिग्री हो जाएंगे। तो दोस्तों इस तरह से ये एंगल A और एंगल B ये क्या कहलाएंगे? कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कहलाएंगे। वेरी नाइस, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? देखो मैं बहुत ही इजी लैंग्वेज में, आसान शब्दों में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इन वेरी इजी वर्ड्स एंड यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। फोकस ऑन टॉपिक, look at the board, and if you want to see video again and again, you can see again and again. If you want to share this video to your friends, you can do. Okay, and you can feel free to ask any question in comments. Okay guys, see, so now you can understand A and B are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, see guys, तो यहाँ पे मैंने बोर्ड पे कुछ बातें लिखी हुई है। साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा। अब इसका अगर हम अपोजिट देखें तो कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा। इसी तरह से tan 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉट थीटा, कॉट 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा। दोस्तों यहाँ पे हमें डिग्री देना चाहिए, वैसे मैंने डिग्री दिया नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे आप अंडरस्टूड है कि यहाँ पे डिग्री होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सेक 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉसेक थीटा, कॉसेक 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक थीटा। स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान रखना। अब यू कैन आस्क मी कि सर tan 90 माइनस थीटा कॉट थीटा में क्यों बदल रहा है? हाउ यू कैन से कि tan 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉट थीटा, या फिर हाउ यू कैन से sin 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा। देखो दोस्तों, मैं तो पहले इस चीज को एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कि ये कैसे साइन कॉस में बदल गया, कॉस साइन में बदल गया, tan कॉट में बदल गया, कॉट tan में बदल गया, सेक कोसेक में बदल गया, कोसेक सेक में बदल गया। वेरी इजी। सी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी टेक अ रेक्टेंगल, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, sorry, we take a right angle triangle. Okay, so angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so you can understand angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree also, because why? Because sum of all angles of a triangle is 90 degree, so angle B itself is 90 degree. So rest of these two angles, if you sum these two angles, you will get the 90 degree. Okay, my dear students, so angle A and angle C are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Okay, sin theta की अगर हम बात करें तो sin theta क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? See, sin theta होगा, since this angle is theta, तो sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. I mean कि P upon H. You can see, right? Okay. So if you see cos theta, I mean cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta will be what? See, again AB upon AC. और ये क्या होगा? B upon H. My dear students, see, for this angle, this is the perpendicular, and for this angle, this is the perpendicular. So what happens? For sin theta, AB is perpendicular, and for cos 90 minus theta, AB is base. Okay, right? Here we put degree. Okay, so you can see AB upon AC, both are same. I mean cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. You can see. So that's why we can say that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Here you can see sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. So if we see sin 90 minus theta, so what will happen? Sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to BC upon AC, and cos theta is equal to again BC upon AC. So you can see sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. In the same way we can say tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, are you getting me? Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Similarly, because for this angle, for theta, this is perpendicular, this is base, and for 90 minus theta, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So base and perpendicular are interchanging. Okay, so in this way we can prove all these things. Similarly, we can say, okay, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. In the same way, we can see other formulas. Okay. Students, so I'm going to solve question based on complementary angles. Okay. So see this question, my dear students, sin square 5 degree plus sin square 25 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus sin square 65 degree plus sin square 85 degree. So dear students, we need to find the value of this expression. So you can see these are the complementary angles because sum is 90 degree. These are also the complementary angles because sum is 90 degree. So of course, my dear, sin square 85 degree is equal to what? Cos square 5 degree. Why? Because sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, so you can see sin 90 degree minus 5 degree is equal to cos 5 degree. Are you getting me? Very easy. So in the same way we can see that sin square 65 degree is equal to cos square 25 degree. So you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Are you getting me? Yes, no? So sin square 5 degree, cos square 5 degree becomes 1. Sin square 25 degree, cos square 25 degree becomes 1. Okay, and sin square 45 degree is what? 1 upon root 2 the whole square. Okay, I mean 2.5 is the answer. Very nice. So means within 5 to 10 seconds you can do this question. Only in 5 to 10 seconds you can do this question. Okay, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, 2, and this becomes half. 2.5 is the answer. Okay guys, see the next question. Guys, we have another question. Okay, see, so here is you can see tan square 25 degree upon cos square 65 degree. These are the complementary angles. Okay, these are also the complementary angles, cot square 25 degree upon sec square 65 degree, and these are also the complementary angles. Okay guys, see, tan 70 degree is equal to what? Cot 20 degree, and this becomes cancel. Tan 45 degree is 1, so this becomes 2. Okay, right? See guys, here we can see tan square 25 degree and cosec square 65 degree means what? Means sec square 25 degree. Very nice. Plus cot square 25 degree upon sec square 65 degree means what? Cosec square 25 degree. Okay. See guys, what happens? Tan square 25 degree means sin square 25 degree upon cos square 25 degree and 1 upon sec square. 1 upon sec square 25 degree means cos square 25 degree. Okay. Plus cot square 25 degree means cos square 25 degree upon sin square 25 degree. Okay. Right. And 1 upon cos square 25 degree means sin square 25 degree. Plus 2. So this becomes cancelled. And sin square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree means 1. So 1 and 2 becomes 3. Okay guys. See, you can do it mentally also. It will take very less time. See, try to understand. This becomes 2. Okay. Tan square 25 degree means sin square 25 degree upon cos square 25 degree, and this becomes means I mean to say that you can remove this step. Okay, if you do the mental calculation, and you can write this step. So this becomes sec square 25 degree, and sec 1 upon sec square 25 1 upon sec square 25 degree means cos square 25 degree. This becomes cancelled. Similarly, in here we can see cot square 25 degree means cos square 25 degree upon sin square 25 degree, and sec square 65 means cosec square 25 degree, and 1 upon cosec square 25 degree means sin square 25 degree. This becomes cancelled, and this becomes 1 plus 2 3 is the answer. So if you do the mentally calculation, this step we can do mentally, this step will remove, and we need to write very few things. Otherwise, if you are very intelligent, very fast, you can do all the calculations mentally. Okay guys, see the next question. Guys, we need to find the values of this expression. This is our next question. This is the question number 3. Okay. So very easy. See, 81 plus 1 is the 90 degree complementary angles. अब इससे पहले का स्टेप क्या होगा? स्टेप बिफोर दिस इज द tan 88 degree. So tan 88 degree plus 2 degree. This becomes 90 degree. So what is the third last step? Is the 87 degree and plus 3 degree. So these also are the complementary angles. So we can see total number of terms are 89. 1 to 89 is the total 89 terms. Okay. So if we are pairing, so there will be the 44 pairs plus 1 term. 44 pairs plus 1 term. Total will be the 44 pairs. Okay. So total will be the 89. Okay. So 44 pairs will cancel. Why? Because this becomes cot 1 degree. So tan 1 degree, cot 1 degree cancel. Tan 2 degree, cot 2 degree cancel. Tan 3 degree, cot 3 degree will be cancelled. Okay. So 44 pair. I mean skip 44 from left and 44 from right will be cancelled. Okay. So which term will left? That will be the tan 45 degree. And tan 45 degree is what? 1. So 1 is our answer. Okay guys. See the next question. Guys, we have the question number 4. See, look at the board, my dear. Tan sin 39 degree upon cos 51 degree. These are the complementary angles. Okay. So complementary angle means what? Ki sin 39 degree. This becomes sin 39 degree. So this becomes 1. Okay. See, these are the complementary angles. So cancel, because that is the cot 11 degree. Okay, that's why cancel. These are also the complementary angles. Cancel because this is the cot 31 degree. Okay, tan 45 degree is what? 1. So 2 into 1 is the 2 minus. Say, sine square 21 degree, sine square 69 degree. So sine square 69 degree means what? Cos square 21 degree, sine square 21 degree, cos square 21 degree becomes 1. Add करने से, so 1 into 3, 3. So this becomes minus 3. So our result is 0. See. So this calculation is very easy and you can do it mentally. I think you can do it in 5 seconds also if you try to do in fast way. Okay guys, so see the next question, question number 5. Guys, say this question, sin square 1 degree plus sin square 5 degree plus sin square 9 degree. इसी तरह से टर्म जा रहा है, लास्ट टर्म है sin square 89 degree. So first of all we want to know that how many terms are there. So you know this expression is in AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, so how can we count the terms? So you know that if you see the formula TA, I mean nth term is equal to A plus A minus 1 into D. Okay, so here A is 1. So let's consider 1. Okay, and A हमें value निकालनी है. Okay, and D is what? D is the difference between two terms, that is the 4. Okay, मतलब we subtract next term from we subtract the term from the next term. I mean 1 will subtract 1 from 5, so this becomes 4. I mean D is the 4, and nth term is given 89. Okay, see, so we can calculate easily 1 plus 4n minus 4. Here is the 89. Okay, so this becomes minus 3. Okay, minus 3. So 89 plus 3 is equal to 4n. Okay, so this becomes 92 divided by 4. So that's why n is equal to 23. Okay, so how many terms are there? 23 terms. 23 terms. See, so this is very little bit time taking question. So 23 terms are there. Okay, see, so these are the complementary angles. Okay, so what is the second last term? So second last term will subtract 4 from here. So 4 that will be the 85, sin square 85 degree. Okay, so these also will be the complementary angles. So this becomes what? Cos square 1 degree. So this becomes what? 1. First and last will be the 1. Okay, plus second and second last will be the 1. So in this way, here how many terms are there? 23 means 11 pairs plus 1 term. Okay, so 11 pair means what? 11 terms from starting and 11 terms from ending. Are you getting me? So 11 pairs means 1 up to 11 times, means total will be 11 plus the value of this term. So what will be this term? So 11 terms from left, 11 terms from right will be involved in this. Okay, and the 12th term will be left alone. There will be no pairing with the 12th term from the left. 12th term. So what will be the 12th term? So 12th term will be the what? Okay, so T12 is equal to A plus n, okay, n minus 1 into D. Okay, so that will be the 45. Right? Means sine 45 degree will be along. Sine square 45 degree will be along. So what is the value of sine 45 degree? So 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 the whole square. I mean ki 1 upon 2. So what will be the total value? 11 plus 1 upon 2. I mean 11 and half. Okay? Right? So this will be the answer. Okay guys? So in this way we can do question based on complementary angles. Guys, you try to do more and more, and if you have any problem you can ask me in comments. Thank you very much.